Hi friends, let me show you these new CINOTON solar pathway lights. They are solar powered, so you don't need any wiring. They have different colors. As you can see, the pack is 6 units. Let me show you. You get all the accessories and stacks that you need to install them. You get 6 units. They come really protected, packed. Okay. You have an on-off switch here. As you can see, they turn on white, and you can keep changing the color or even have a circulating pattern where it will change colors every certain time, okay? Like this. You can install them in different heights. You could use the ground spike like this, just directly in the ground, or you can use 1 or 2 stakes for each one, okay? We're going to put them in a high 2 stakes height, like this, okay? Let's put them all together. As you can see, they have a large solar panel here, so they will get all the sunlight from the day and be ready charged in the night. As you can see, I have this nice garden here, but it needs more lighting, so let's put them here. You see, it's easy to install them, and you can leave them in different color temperatures, like this bright white that I like, or have them in different colors with the touch of a button. Very easy. These ones are in a fixed white pattern. This one is fixed red color, and those ones are changing colors every few seconds. So you can program all of them to be in a fixed color or in a circulating or changing color code pattern, depending on how you want to have your garden looking to your guests. So I turn off almost all my lighting, so you can see how nice the lighting looks in the garden. So if you have a pathway or a garden or a patio that you want to light with no wiring, just solar power, this option, these lights are a great option. These lamps will charge themselves in the day, and they will turn on when the night falls and give a nice look to your garden. Thank you.